So this is how you repair a leg that's fallen off a ceramic cow, or anything really. Try to match up the color before you do the super glue. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do this on both. This leg right here. I'm also going to do it on this leg right here where it broke off. And then I'll put them together with super glue. And you won't see that big white ring around there that you probably have on all the other things you've tried to fix recently. Hold the leg in place until the glue dries. And you're done. Voila, it's fixed, and there's no white marks around the outside. So it looks like nothing ever happens to this baby. Trust me, if you have a 6-year-old, this is a great fix because they won't feel so bad after you show them the fix the next day. And by the way, this is what you do when your kids are going to bed. Fix all the stuff they broke during the day and make life right again. Cheers, everybody.